Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a DIY that can help you with hair growth. If you're interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the ingredients that you're going to need for this DIY is going to be, we're going to need 1 aloe vera leaf. When it comes to aloe vera, it contains enzymes which helps to repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It also promotes hair growth, prevents itching on the scalp, reduces dandruff, and conditions your hair. Also, aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E. All 3 of these vitamins contribute to cell turnover and promoting healthy cell growth. You're going to need about 2 tablespoons of ginger. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth. The fatty acids in ginger are beneficial for thin hair. Now you just want to take all the ingredients and place them into a blender, and then you also want to add 1 cup of your favorite carrier oil. I will be using avocado oil. You can also use more than 1 oil if you would like. So now you just want to place the oil mixture into the pan, and then you want to set your stove in between medium to low heat and allow this to simmer. So when we know that the oil is ready is when the ingredients and the oil begin to separate and the oil rises up to the top and the ingredients sink to the bottom. Also, once the ingredients start to turn a brownish color, and then also you will see less steam coming from the pot. Once the oil is ready, you just want to remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down. Once it has cooled down, then you just want to strain it using a cheesecloth. And once you finish straining the oil, then you can place it into an applicator bottle for easier application. So when it comes to the shelf life of this oil, you want to make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry area of your home, and it will last about 2 to 3 months. Also, if you want it to last longer than that, you can place it in the refrigerator and it would last about 3 to 5 months. And then you can also use a preservative if you would like. I also keep a preservative link in my description box. So when it comes to the use of this DIY, you can use it as a hot oil treatment / pre-poo treatment. You can use it as often as you wash your hair. You can also use it as a leave-in hair oil, and you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. Also, you can take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the oil and put it into your deep conditioner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.